To be somebody in life is not easy. To be a better person in life is not easy. You have to hustle. You have to go through many challenges. You must go through many challenges. And you go through it over and over again before you succeed. If you are the kind of person that you just want to make it one day, my brother, my sister, don't deceive yourself. You don't just make it in one day. You must hustle for it before you made it. You must hustle for it before you get it. If you do not hustle for it, then you get it in the bad way. People that always succeed are people that train themselves very well, are people that go through meditation, are people that do it every day, are people that do it with zeal, are people that do it in order to see that, yes, I have made it. Are people that talk to themselves, are people that do it in order to see that, yes, I progress on one particular thing, that I focus on it. So you have to be patient. You have to be patient, because life is not that thing that you are thinking, that everything I want it to be must be on that way. No, it must not happen at a particular time. It must take some time before it will happen. Not everything you want must be like that. No, sometimes it changes. It changes before, for a certain time, it will happen.